Peak District National Park. This remote moorland at over 2,000 feet is home to some very special creatures. A willow ptarmigan, otherwise known as the red grouse, the only bird in the world found exclusively in the British Isles. Our first glimpse of the mountain hare. Most active during the twilight hours, they lead solitary lives in a scrape or shallow depression called a form. Tucked under the lip, they sit motionless to avoid the watchful eyes of eagles and foxes. The grouse noisily go about their business, oblivious to our challenges of finding the hares. In summer, a mountain hare's fur is greyish-brown to blend in with hazel rocks. As winter approaches, they molt into their snow-white coat. Only the tips of their ears stay black all year round. They adapt their diet to the seasons, shifting from succulent grass and herbs in the summer to a tougher, woody diet in the winter. When the landscape's buried in snow, they rely on heather, gorse, bark and twigs. Because these food sources are incredibly fibrous and nutrient poor, the hares do something called re-ingestion, which means eating their own droppings. That's a bit revolting to us, but it's a brilliant survival strategy for extracting maximum energy from poor quality food. Hares breed from January to August, and they're very prolific. A single doe can produce up to 3 litters of 4 leverets a year. And leverets are born precocial, which means they're fully furred with their eyes open and ready to run. This is a vital evolutionary trait, as their lack of underground burrows means they have to hide or scatter from birth to survive. It's the spirit of the moors, the European golden plover. With dapple gold plumage, in the winter an entire flock can vanish into the moorland. In summer, however, a dramatic wardrobe change changes their uniform to a jet black waistcoat from their face down their belly. A lot of mountain hare time seems to be occupied with foot cleansing and grooming. This shouldn't be a surprise. Mountain hares have incredibly large, hairy hind feet, acting like natural snowshoes, allowing them to sprint across soft drifts at high speed to evade predators. A colony of frogs jostling for position. Get out of there. All that's left is to practice some of our low-level photography across the water, and of course the obligatory social media embarrassment of my host.
I'm here with Ben Hall, and we've seen how many hares?
Must be 13, 14.
13, 14, and I set my expectations to see none, so just an amazing day, what a fabulous place and a fantastic guide.
What a great day and a fabulous experience in the pursuit of the mountain hare.